So today we're gonna make some pesto in the traditional Genoan style. First of all, we need some basil, fresh basil. If not, it tastes like mint. Some Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Some garlic. And some natural extra virgin olive oil, alongside with some pine nuts and some rock salt. Originally it would have been made with a mortar and pestle, but it is quicker and simpler to do it in a mixer. So first of all, you want to add some Parmesan cheese and the pine nuts in the mixer. So now we want to add our cloves of garlic. In order to take off the skin, we can use a traditional method which involves squashing it so that it's extremely simple to take it off. And you do that for 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the mixer. So you want to activate the blender, the mixer, for around 2 minutes until the ingredients aren't properly blended. So after we have correctly blended our ingredients, we want to add some rock salt, which acts as a conservative. So now we want to start picking out the basil leaves. You want to first wash them but dry them so that it maintains its freshness and flavor. You want to pick out only the leaves and not the stalk, as to maintain a constant and intense flavor. During the preparation, you want to add some olive oil, preferably Il Palufo extra virgin olive oil, and it acts as a diluent and makes the mix more smooth. The mixture should be blended only for a certain amount of minutes, as if it's overdone, it will heat up the mixture and cause it to lose its flavor. The ingredients should be blended for a couple of minutes. Now we are going to store the pesto in glass jars. So, now that the pesto has been prepared, you can use it for a variety of dishes, including pasta, especially with the traditional Genoan pasta trofie. Or if not, it can be used in a variety of soups. And always remember that after you have used it, to always add a layer of oil on top, as to maintain it always fresh.
E allora buon appetito!